Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lay, and today I'm showing you this beautiful hair look called lock knots. Today is a simple summer hairstyle because it is getting hot and we need stuff off our neck. It's definitely not short. It took me 2 hours to do this, but one, I was sleepy, and two, it could take quite some time. Usually when I do lock knots, I tend to get under the dryer for about 30 to 45 minutes until I feel that my scalp is dry or until I feel that the curls itself are dry. So here's a close-up. You can kind of see my highlights. If you'd like to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. video, please like and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Peace. I am blabbling. I really like these. Here's a close-up. Sometimes at the ends I get like I hate when this happens. I get so sad. We gotta have a funeral for it. If you like that's my Carolyn's voice, y'all. Let me stop yelling. I don't know why I'm yelling at you. I apologize.
Oh, you're so cute. Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm sorry. I'm leaving now.
It's okay.
Oh my god, my wig.
The wig. Get the wig.
You should put that part in.
Oh my gosh, stop. Stop doing that. You're really discombobulated.
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.